Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. Doing something a bit different today, doing some geocaches that you can only access with a boat. We're in Grimsby. I'm actually out with the boys. We've been for a paddle on out Cleethorpes way actually, and it was a bit of a bust. So we've come out to Alexandra Dock in Grimsby, going to do some geocaches here. Let's go! Where the hell did that voice come from? Right, the first geocache over in that corner, over here somewhere. So let's go and have a nosy, eh? Now it does say no leaning over is the clue. So I'm not even using the map at the minute, I'm just using my geosense. I wonder if there's some water on the other side of that barrier because the map's saying it's on the other side. How weird. I thought it was here, in this corner. Looks like I'm wrong. Right, let's have a look, see where there's another geocache on this water. Hopefully one I can do. I can't do that usual thing where I screenshot the locations and stuff and how far away it is. And that's predominantly because I'm using one of these phone cases and I can't get the buttons to work properly through it. So yeah, it's saying it's about 280 meters away in that direction by that old trawler, I think, like sunken ships. Let's go and have a nosy anyway. Now there's a sunken boat just over there, and there's one over there somewhere. Let's have a quick look at where we're up to. 138 meters away, it's saying. I think it's in that bridge area there. Seen better days, hasn't it? This is a bit of a different way to do some geocaching, isn't it? 65 meters away. I'm heading in the right direction, I think. I'm getting blown in the right direction. So the app is telling me I'm in the right area. So let's have a look for this geocache. I think I might have found it. I think that's it there, but it looks like the log's gone. So I don't know what's going on there. So I've taken a photo of it. I'm going to send it to the CO. Yeah, when you look at this, it looks like there's been a geocache in there, a log, and it looks like maybe it's been taken out with the tide. I'll have another look around just in case there's another one somewhere that I might have missed. Well, I've just had a look at the hint, and it looks like that was the one. The hint was about it being on a blue row. There is another one about 260 meters away, so I'm going to go and have a nosy for that. Got a few swimmers on the water. Right, according to the app, I'm only about 16 meters away. Found it, found it, found it. How cool is that? On the water geocaching. Loving it. Unfortunately, I can't say I've signed it, logged it and popped it back because it's another smushy log, unfortunately. However, what I'll do is I'll send the CO a photograph. The boys are over there, look, sheltering under a bridge. Woohoo! I'm quite chuffed I found two. Don't you look at me in that tone of voice. Right, the app is saying I've drifted down to where the boys are, and I'm saying about 13 meters away from another one.
It's good, isn't it?
Alright. I've been searching here for a while, and I think it's been on there, or on there, and I think it's gone missing. Damn! Anyway, I've taken some photos and I'll let the cache owner know. Because I might be able to claim that as a find-ish. Oh, hang on, bit low, bit low. Right. I've really enjoyed these ones on the water. It's just something a bit different. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, you know what to do about liking the video, subscribing, etc, etc, etc. If you don't like it, how the hell did you get this far? Don't be spitting over the side. Oh, that, yeah. Right, so I've just come round from the other side to where we paddled, because remember me saying that there was a geocache on that side. It's actually on this side somewhere, and this is where you'd launch. I didn't realise you could actually launch onto here. This must be the River Fresney or something along those lines. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. Anyway, the point is we can't launch from here because, as you can see, swans and their young, and as we all know, that's a no-no. However, in other news, Mark, there's some ducks down there. Look, ducks, ducks, and pigeons. Well, that was a bit of fun. If I finish the video here, thank you so much for watching. Cheerio. Oh God, the wind. The wind. Bloody hell.